Hey guys, Kim Garza here. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will explain what is an action, how to create it, how to import it, and how to export an action in Photoshop. So stay to see the video. Probably you hear the word preset and actions and you didn't know what is the difference and how to use it. Well, preset is using in Lightroom and basically is a predefined settings that you can put in a bunch of photos. If you want to hear and know a little bit more about the presets, you can go to the suggested videos above. In this video, I will explain what are actions and how to create them, import them in Photoshop. So actions are for Photoshop and presets are for Lightroom. What is an action? The actions in Photoshop have the purpose to have a bunch of activities and actions that you did to edit a photo, and then Photoshop save all those actions that you did, and then when you play it again, it will do exactly the same edition that you saved it before. So basically is the way that you can save all your editions and reproduce the exactly same edition again in another photo. So we will do an example right now with this photo, and then you will know in this video anything that you need to know to start working with actions. So let's start. So the actions should appear in here. It's kind of like a play icon, but if you don't see it, you can go to Windows and then you can put here actions and then it will appear automatically. So I have here already my actions for editions and my actions for retouching and dodge and burn. So what I'm going to do, I have already actions predefined for this photo that I will use, but I will create something really easy so you know how to create it. The first thing to create an action is to have a new folder and say actions, example, YouTube. Okay, so what you're going to do is to create a new page and say example 1. And you have now a new one, and then you will start to record. So you click here and then you will start record your action. This means that every single movement that you are going to use, that you are going to do in here, you will see it recorded in the actions example 1. So for example, you will see in here how it will change. If I'm going to have a little bit edition of the light, say that I want kind of like more light and contrast, I do this, and then it already saved make adjustment layer. So maybe I want to put it black and white, and it already saved the actions, you see. And maybe I want to say change the color again. The lighting, I want it a little bit darker. Just going to do like some random stuff in here so you know what you can do. What else I can do if it's black and white? Say in here I want it 50% and say that I want another one with this and I want it screen. It's just an example. Where is it? Here. And then I want it 20% in here. So let's say that that's the action or that's the effect that I want to do for the photo, and then let's put the stop, and it will automatically save all the actions that I did. So now if I delete everything that I did and now go back to the original and then I just select example and then play it, it will play exactly all the things that I did. So that's how you create a action. Now let's go to the action that I actually create for this specific example. That is, let's delete this, we don't want it. Is vintage vibes. Let's put it in here. Let's say that we already create the vintage vibe effects. So I wanted to. So what I use actions in all my shootings almost all my shootings. What I do is I open a photo and then I start playing with the colors and with all the effects that I wanted in my photo, and then I save the action, and then I do it in all the series that I wanted, that I shoot, because of course I wanted to have exactly the same colors. That's what I did with this one, that I call it Vintage Vibes. So I play it, and that's the effect that I wanted, but in this case I leave it super strong, and the only thing that I did, it was okay, I want 50% of the action, that I made it really strong in this photo, and that's how it looks. So this is without the action and this is with the action. I have a lot of a lot of modifications that I did with this photo to create these effects. Now it's really hard to do exactly the same in all the photos, and that's where you can use the actions. And then say that I wanted to export it because I wanted to share it with you. I just need to click here in Action Examples YouTube, this bottom, and then save actions, and then Action Examples YouTube, and then save. And basically it will be in my downloads folders. If you want to upload, or if you want to load an action that you download, then, or if you download the action that I'm going to share in the description of these videos, then you just need to go to the same button and then load actions, and then you will have in downloads Actions Example YouTube, open, and you have it there. It's basically pretty simple. You have here all the actions that I took. So basically that's it. Actions are really easy to use. The only thing is, for example, the same thing that I did in here. My action that I created, it was super strong for this case. I created with a close-up, and this effect didn't see it exactly like that, but you can actually just play it with the percentage of action that you wanted. So in the other photos I just put 50%, and it's exactly the effect that I wanted in my photo. So that's it. That's an action. Now you know what is an action, how to create it, how to import it, and how to export an action. So thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and activate the notifications so you know when I upload a new video. And if you really like the video and you wanted to share it with your friends, please share the link and invite them as well to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video. Bye!